everybody. Bicycle playing cards, Percy Jackson for me, 5,000 awesome facts for everybody. All of these stuff are mine, just saying.
Hold on. There's glasses here. We just got everything in the car. Crazy, you gotta load up the car for like 5 million hours. So it's 3 hours later and we get to go on our way. Today we're going on a hike right past Muncie. Maybe I'll show you some signs when we get there. And we like to, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to the Sussman Family Vlog. We hope you enjoy this episode, everybody, and welcome back. Peace.
So we thought we were leaving, but it turns out, of course, we forgot snacks, we forgot tissues, so back inside yet again.
We forgot gloves, we forgot masks, tissues for the hike, we forgot everything. But we're working on it,
Toilet paper.
No. Here's a guy who I haven't seen in like 2 years. He loves being filmed, loves it. So, tell everyone hi. What's going on? Good. We encountered a little bit of difficulty. The original spot we wanted to go to was totally full. So we found another spot over here that our friend in Muncie told us about. Were you guys doing okay in the car?
No!
Nope.
Still not good, I'm nauseous.
Adele, how are you?
Good.
Looking forward?
Mama said that I keep crying because when I throw up in the cup, I must just make a picture and my mom was potty.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense. Effie, how are you?
Good. It's beautiful here. I'm excited.
Cold drinks. We got ice in there. We're prepared. We got some string cheese.
You need toilet paper for hikes. We'll just leave it at that.
Right now we're looking for the trail. You guys see where the trail begins? Josh said.
It smells like horses.
Hikers, trailhead parking.
I'm feeling better now.
Feeling better? How come you're feeling better?
Because I have fresh air and I just had an orange.
Ooh, orange, you're glad you had one? So we wound up stopping in this place as a detour. It turns out that there's horses all over this place. No horsing around, guys. This is a pleasant surprise. We got thrown out of the horse place, uninvited. But we found the trail.
Oh my God, it took so much searching. Coming!
Good. Hey guys, remember, stay focused.
It's probably like Solomon. No, I see fishes! No, is that a squid? No. Just the beginning of the hike, but we're going all the way up there, and look how uphill it is already. So, we just saw horses. My first time seeing a live horse. A horse. It's a horse!
Okay, Bina. What would you rather? Woods or water? Bina,
water.
Woods or water?
Water.
Eliezer, woods or water?
That's hard because the water is pretty good, but the woods are also. But I think I might say woods because of Shmir Sinai, so I wouldn't even be able to go with the water a lot.
Woohoo, little tzaddik. Maishi, woods or water?
I rather water.
You rather water. Why is that?
So I can learn how to swim in the deep.
Woods or water?
I really like the woods. It's like so nature, adventurous. You can do anything here.
Okay.
And if you're lucky, you can do like a good build out, like by ocean here. And look, see this water straight from the creek over there. probably can't see it. We went on the wrong path. We went on the horse path, not the hiking path, so now we're going back.
Rookie error. Right now on the trail, we're not sure. Let me fix that. There we go. Oh, much better. Right now on the trail, we're not sure if we're headed the right way. We tried following the trail markers, but maybe we were supposed to like cut up into the woods over there. We're not exactly sure, so we're kind of just playing it by ear. Everywhere we go,
Everywhere we go,
people wanna know
people want to know
who we are,
who we are.
so we tell them
So we tell them
we're tribe Wakadaka,
we're tribe Wakadaka,
mighty mighty Wakadaka,
mighty mighty Wakadaka.
sound off,
1, 2,
sound off,
3, 4.
bring it all down.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo!
Mighty mighty Wakadaka. Where's the queen of Wakadaka? Please raise your hand.
Mean.
Who are you?
I'm the evil queen.
Do we let them drink and touch the Corona water or no?
It's fresh water.
They really, really want to. All right, I'm gonna say they could go for it.
What? They can't go for it? No, hey, it's irresponsible.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
This is fresh.
Stop, guys. No, seriously, it's Corona water. A little bit of a detour crossing the stream. You wouldn't think it'd be so difficult under normal circumstances. But with the kids, everything takes triple the amount of time. Oh, yeah, I got wet shoes. Wet shoes.
Learn from the best, hopefully. Guys, there's gonna be rattlesnake here, so I guess the tribe's gonna head into Rattlesnake Island. Yeah, guy told us he's got a rattlesnake heading south, and we're going south.
What do you have to say about our trail so far, this hike? What do you have to say?
It's good. It's good. I'm enjoying it immensely. Every minute, you know, the nervous mom thinks that one of these kids are going to decide they want to quit halfway and I have to walk, like carry them the entire way back.
That would be like 2 minutes.
So
Just
that
joking.
there is that fear. I'm just saying there is that fear. But so far, they've been pretty good. So we'll see how long it lasts, you know? At every minute it could change.
Any minute things could change. Any minute.
Mark in the road. Left or right? Red. We've got a red marker over here. This way.
This is like insane. I'm so happy to be able to take out the family. It's good for your mental health. We need to take everyone out because we're basically inside all day, right, Nach?
Yeah. I really like this. I'm more of a woods person. I'm air. I'm not earth. I'm air. But right now, I think it might help a little to be earth on how much things we're walking over.
Guy, I think I'm an air guy too. Definitely gonna go with the air.
We're both wind, but he's a crab and I'm a scale.
What? He said I'm crabby. I think that's my zodiac. Let's just say it could be a little snappy.
I'm gonna climb higher. Let's see how it is. It's a very shaky creek. It's not scary.
Okay, so it happens to be really beautiful up here. The scenery is gorgeous. There also happens to be a lot of bugs Now at work, I have like, you know, masks and face shields, and I'm kind of feeling that I need it right now, so that way the bugs stop flying in my eyes and mouth.
It doesn't seem like there's a big payoff, you know, like that big mountain when you look in the end and you see that view. It doesn't seem like it's one of these, but Baruch Hashem, we have a lot of bugs on this one. And I think it's a message for life that not everything goes the way you expect it to go. In fact, it mostly doesn't.
No, but it is beautiful. I mean, when do we get to see something so pretty like this?
Okay, everybody, we've been hiking for probably over 2 hours so far. We're in the middle of the woods, we're in the middle of nowhere. The family stopped for a hide and seek game. It's nothing like playing hide and seek in the woods. Because it's getting later, I think we're gonna turn around and not gonna go because we don't wanna be irresponsible parents and get lost in the wood with our kids. So I think we're gonna turn around and we're not going to hit the lake this time. Still a very good experience, extremely enjoyable with everyone.
1920, ready or not, here I come. Tina, I see you. Eliezer, I see you. Adele, I see you. Now where is Moshe? I saw you. Now knock, man.
We're on our way back. Been holding this girl. She's been holding up. How you doing, Adele?
Good.
You're doing good? You're hanging in there?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Great.
What's your favorite part about hiking so far?
I don't know, but we saw this sick, like, black salamander thing that was playing dead. We weren't able to touch it.
Didn't let them touch it. Whew. We just came back to the car. It was a crazy hike. Crazy hike. We almost got stuck in the middle of the night over there. But we made it out, right, guys?
Yeah. You look at the scenery in the beginning and you're like, am I really going to be able to accomplish that? And it's like, you know what, thousands of feet high. And then you go and you do it and you feel the satisfaction.
Wow. Now, do you think there's a life lesson there, Elichaim? Is there a life lesson?
Yeah, you could do anything, and it's fun. You can always make it fun, or you can make it boring and annoying. It's up to you.
An old-fashioned good time.
Old-fashioned good time.
You can drink from springs, but my parents didn't let me since there's coronavirus. Okay?
Okay, today we kept the kids busy. We were able to take them out and go on an enduring hike. And there's one last thing that we all want to tell you.
By the way,
as always, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, push that like, forward to a friend, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay.